Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Sarel Javier, and let me be your source of information for this day. Today, I'm discussing few points about code switching. So what is code switching? In linguistics, code switching or language alternation occurs when a speaker alternates between two or more languages or language varieties in a context of a single conversation. Multilinguals, speakers of more than one language, sometimes use elements of multiple languages when conversing with each other. Code switching occurs mostly in bilingual communities. Speakers of more than one language are known for their ability to code switch or mix their language during their time of communication. There are three types of code switching: the intersentential code switching, the intrasentential code switching, and the extrasentential code switching, or also known as tag switching. Let us first discuss the intersentential code switching. In this form of switching, the language switch is done at the sentence boundaries, words or phrases at the beginning or end of a sentence. This type is seen most often in fluent bilingual speakers. For example, if you are late for the job interview, is alis mazin. From the example given, we can notice that the first clause is the matrix language and the second clause is the embedded language. Dolce Amore is an example of interpersonal code switching. This series was aired on ABS-CBN last 2016.
Mahirap paniwalaan. But that money is yours. Use it. Use it all. At wag mo nang tanungin kung bakit. It's better that way.
Huwag kang magpakawalan, Chana!
From the two given examples, the first clause are the matrix language, followed by the second clause, which is the embedded language. The second type of code switching is the intersentential code switching. In this code switching, the shift is done in the middle of the sentence, with no interruptions, hesitations, or pauses to indicate a shift. The speaker is usually unaware of the shift. For example, you are sleepy kogu zaman because you spend a lot of saat in your bed. Different types of switches occur within the clause level and within the word level. An example of this type of code switching is the scene from Pure Love.
Tingnan mo tong isa. Yan ang tears of pure love. At ganyan yung kailangan makuha para makabalik ka sa katawan mo.
The last type of code switching is the extrasentential code switching or tag switching. This is the switching of either a single word or a tag phrase or both from one language to another. This type is common in intrasentential switches. It involves the insertion of a tag from one language into an utterance in another language. For example, eles de Oaxaca y así los criaron a los, if you know what I mean. Another example is how Turkish students use some boundary words like ama, but, or yani, while speaking English. So that's it for today's video. This has been Azarel Fabir. Gracias y adios.